Pillow talk, glitter walls, simple minds want it all. Take it off, 5 o'clock. What come the rocks? What come the rocks? Dirty socks, kitchen sink, bring it on. Drink a drink, drink it off, take it off, take it off, take it off. Rhythm and blues, sipping on gin and juice.
I created a pretty awesome action game and you get to play it right now. The demo version of Regulator City is live right now. I'm a bit nervous about that. You get to play it, like you. And of course, the strange guy in the back, even you get to play it now. Slightly nervous, but I'm very confident that this game is turning out pretty well. I should just stop playing and do this video. As mentioned, the game can be played right now. Demo is available on Steam, link in the description below. And after the intro, I'm going to talk about the demo. What is it, what to expect, and the level editor. There's a level editor inside the demo. More on that after the intro. Regulator City demo. It's part of the Steam Next Fest, which starts this weekend right after this video goes live, or a couple of days after this video goes live. But the demo has been up since last Thursday, June the 2nd, because Steam has something for the press, and for that you wanted to have your demo available so that the press could check out your game. I'm not expecting any press to check out my game, but not having it up there, that would be a sure way to not have press covering my game. So that's the first reason. Second reason, this allowed a lot of people in the Discord to play the demo before other people that I don't know and don't communicate with start pounding on the demo and hammering on the demo, and I don't know what would happen then. Now I had a bunch of friendly people on the Discord playing the demo, give me a bunch of feedback. We already pushed a couple of new builds because of that feedback, and it's now Friday as I'm recording this, so since yesterday I've pushed 2 or 3 updates already, fixing some problems here and there, and there will most likely be a bunch of other updates before you get to watch this video, and that's pretty much the reason I already had that demo live and ready to go. And that also means now you get to play it. So hop on Steam, check the link in the description, start downloading it while we do the rest of this video. So the game is not done. It's far from done. It's not going to be available for a few months at least. This demo is here to show you the direction I'm taking this game. It's about having this squad around you that operates alongside you, and it all moves fluidly like one entity while still being multiple team members. That's the whole thing I set out to do. Based on all these movies and TV shows that have all these cool stuff going on with SWAT teams or special units or whatever, they all move and it always looks pretty cool, and I wanted that in a game. I don't have a lot of friends that play games with me, so I needed a computer controlled team around me, and that's what this game is going to be about. Of course, I will try to add multiplayer, or at least local multiplayer, so that you can, if you do have buddies that want to play games, you can team up with those buddies, and it should provide even more coolness. But the main goal was having this squad, this team around you, and together you just do missions and objectives, and that's pretty much the main goal I have with this game. Environments, levels, missions, graphics, enemy types, weapon types, items, all those stuff. There are some of those things in the demo right now, but not everything. There's still going to be a lot of building and adding and implementing of those extra things, but that's just going to be juice and sauce and extraness and make the game fuller and bigger. The core is up and running, and this is the type of game I'm trying to create. I'm very happy with the current state and having your team moving alongside you. And one tip, if you're playing the demo, you're the leader, you don't have to be at the front. You can let these guys do all the shooting and stuff around you while you pretty much try to find the right path, and they will follow you. They will help you breach doors. They will go into rooms. If you enter a door, they will go in. Try to use your team as part of you. That's the whole idea of the game. I'll have to somehow steer the player in that direction eventually with some sort of tutorial or more visual things on the screen. I'm not sure, but it all works pretty well already if you just keep in mind you're the leader. You don't have to go in first. lead your team and trust your team to just take out the enemies. And that's gonna help you survive the demo, or at least a couple of missions. And then you just try another mission and another and another and another. You get the point, right? All right, I'm a little bit hyper. You might have noticed because the demo is live, people are playing my game. It's always amazing, but also nerve-wracking because I've been working on this thing on my own and now people get to judge it. Let's hope that all works out. One other key thing I want to talk about, this demo comes with the level editor. If you start the game, go into the options menu, there should be the little head level editor. Select it and you'll be in the level editor. From that point on, you can use the F1 button to activate it. Just the first time that you start the game, you have to go into the options menu so that people don't accidentally find themselves in the level editor. You can edit levels, you can play around a bit. It's not fully user-friendly just yet, but I did my best. And I think if you like level editors and have a little bit of experience, then you'll find your way around it. If you have questions about it, just drop on the Discord and I'll be there to help you out. There are still a lot of levels that need to be created. I might run a contest at some point, or if you have just awesome and amazing levels and you think I should see them and play them, again, drop on the Discord, contact me in whatever way, and let's talk about the level and how or what. And maybe I can give you a free copy of the game eventually and have your level in the game. We'll figure out something cool and interesting and fun, but level editor is there and it's a lot of fun to just create maps to play on. So level editor. And next goal with Regulated City is working towards early access. I noticed that I thrive a lot better if people are playing my game and I get to update it and have their experience improve because of that. So I'll be more productive and more focused on what I'm doing if it's in early access. Now that's still going to be some months away from now because just a lot of stuff that needs to be added first before I can start asking money for it, because early access will be a paid version, probably somehow discounted from a final version, because that's how I like to award people that jump in early on my games. So early access is going to be the next step and next phase. That's why I'm doing the Next Fest this month. There's another Next Fest somewhere at the end of the year, but that's probably going to be too late for this game because I plan to or hope to have it released in early access by then. If not, we'll see, but I wanted this demo out now. So that's where it is now, demo. We're moving towards early access and you should jump on the Discord and come talk about the game if you play the demo and got questions or got feedback or whatever. Hop on there and let me know and let's talk about the game and work towards early access. And I think that's it. I think that's enough for this video. You should just go download Regulated City demo version and start playing it. So thanks for watching the video, and of course next week another video. I'll be doing more devlogs of the game as I'm working on it. So make sure to follow development everywhere, on all the channels, all the social medias, everywhere. Just follow. All right, bye. Regulated City.